Listen, if you guys have been with me for a while, you know how much of a fan I am of old school YouTube videos. YouTube used to be a place where people just shared makeup for the love of makeup. You didn't get paid for it. I started filming videos in 2008, deleted them all since, which was an awful idea. Don't ever delete your old videos, just put them on private if you need to. But YouTube was a space that you just shared whatever you had to share. It wasn't all about making money. It wasn't all about pushing this product or this product. And I love that YouTube is now a place that you can sincerely make a full-time job and you can make a huge living off of that. I love it, but I miss the old school just sharing because you wanted to share. So I have thought about my videos over the past few weeks. I haven't filmed a video for like 3 weeks or so because I feel like I haven't really been into it, and then it comes across that way on my channel and you're not into it. I can tell based on the views my videos have gotten and are still getting that there's just a lack of something there. So I'm hoping if I start to share the things that I love and I like to watch. I saw Lisa D1 recently post a what's in my bag video, which got me really excited to do it as well. I'll link her down below. You guys will love her. She's such a sweetheart. I want to start filming videos like that and just putting videos out there that I love and hope that it's received in a better way than my past videos have. So with all that said, we are doing a what's in my bag video featuring my Saint Laurent Lou Madeleine camera bag. I'm sure I butchered how that is pronounced. I don't speak French. I am French, but I don't speak French. But it is this bag. It is the black on black. I am obsessed with it. I debated getting this bag for a solid year. I pulled the trigger, I want to say 8 or so months ago. I call it my weekend bag because I don't use this through the week. I use it pretty much only on the weekends, but I've wanted to film this video since I purchased the bag, but I wanted to get a feel for the bag first. I wanted to see what I liked, see what I didn't like, and see if I would recommend it, but I also want to do a what's in my bag video. So I know this bag looks like it doesn't hold a lot, but let me tell you, it really does. I have everything I need in here plus more, and I don't really have an organized system to this bag. There's one little small pocket on the inside that I'll show you when we get into the bag, but I'm not the type of girl that wants to put like a bag in a pouch, in a pouch, in a pouch, you know what I mean? Let's get started. The first thing I have is Flonase. I have horrible allergies, especially around this time of year, and I don't remember to take this in the morning, so I pop it in my bag and then I take it midday whenever I think about it. I go in my purse pretty much every day, so I'll see it and I'll remember to take it. So that is the first thing. If you guys have watery eyes, highly suggest Flonase. I mean, talk to your doctor, make sure it works for you. Not trying to give you medical advice here, but this is the only thing that actually stops my eyes from watering like crazy. Next thing I have is from Sally Beauty. I went to Sally Beauty yesterday and I picked up these Salon Care hairpins. I've never used these, so I can't recommend them. However, I wear my hair in a low pony a lot and it's not cute, so I'm trying to just like find easy ways to make my hair look a little more stylish when I do a low bun. And I saw some video on Instagram where they like pulled the hair through halfway and then wrapped it around and used some hairpins, so I got these, so I'll keep you posted on if these are good. I do like other bobby pins, like the regular ones from Sally, so I thought that would be good. I also picked up the Sèche Vive. I've always called this Sèche Vite, and then yesterday when I picked this up I was like, oh, it's Sèche Vive. So I picked up the Instant Gel Effect top coat. This is the blue one. I usually get the clear one, but I thought, you know what, this is different, I'm gonna try it. So I will keep you posted on this. Sèche Vive, it's gonna take a while for me to remember to call it that, is the only top coat I use, and that actually like dries quick for my nails and lasts a while. So hopefully the gel effect is the same. I have a little Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. Does anyone not have hand sanitizer in their purse right now? Let me know down below if you don't carry it. This is the Noir scent. It smells really good. It smells kind of manly. I'm really into those scents. So I've got a little guy in my purse. I've also got some Germex in my car. I have hand sanitizer everywhere. I'm sure you do too. I have AirPods. Love my AirPods so much. These are the Generation 2, which I like a lot better than the first generation. I lost my first generation. First, I lost one of the AirPods, then I replaced that, then I lost them. So I feel like I was just not meant to have Generation 1, but I really like that the second generation has noise cancellation, so I don't go anywhere without these. I have the new Thrive Cosmetics Pumpkin Spice Latte Liquid Lip Balm. Thrive makes some of the best liquid lip balms ever. I have gone through their like first one, just the clear one. I think I've gone through like 3 of them. Really, really glossy, really, really comfortable, not sticky at all. And hello, pumpkin spice fall. I feel like I've got a whole fall vibe going on right now. I'm looking at all the trees outside as well, and they're turning colors. I love it. Fall is my absolute favorite season. I love little jackets. I love sweaters. I love the fashion. I'm not a fan of summer. I don't like the heat. I'm not a big fan of the sun, but anyway, this is perfect for fall. Check it out if you guys haven't. You'll love it. It's not too like pumpkin spicy either. It's just very, very mild, like the perfect amount. I have 3 face masks in my purse. These are from Kitsch. I think that's how you pronounce it. I got them at Ulta yesterday. I need to wash them before I wear them, but I wanted to like see how they felt, so I took them out of the package as soon as I got in the car. They smell awful out of the bag, but I thought this one was really cute. I have a bunch of other masks from Code All Clear. I really like those. Those are kind of like swimsuit or surfer, you know, outfit, suit thing, whatever material, and I really like that. But I wanted to have some other ones as well that had, you know, some decoration on it. I don't know. I think this one's like especially cool, but need to wash them. At first glance, they have a ton of little like strings hanging out of them, which is a bummer, but it was like 12 bucks at Ulta. So 3 of those. Oh, these aren't even in the case. These are my Key Australia Vivian aviators. These are my favorite aviators. I've actually purchased these twice. One popped out a long time ago, and then I lost a pair, and then I purchased them again because I feel like they really flatter my face well, so I'll always repurchase them. They are super, super black rim, black lens. It's not polarized or anything like that. They have little nose things. I really like these. They clearly need to be cleaned though because they were in the bottom of my purse. Normally I keep them in a case, but I was just running around like a mad woman yesterday. I feel like this is like, no joke, the Mary Poppins bag. You wouldn't think that I could fit all that in here, but I really can. I have this YSL wallet. I don't remember the name of it. I'll list it down below. I got this on the Real New. I like it a lot. It's just kind of one of those like open wallet things. It's got a little button, obviously. There's a pocket in the back for 2 credit cards, a pocket in the front for 2 credit cards, but I pretty much, as you can see, just throw them in there. Sometimes I have cash. I throw my coins in there as well. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm a big fan of YSL. I feel like it's a little bit more of like an edgy-ish brand, which I like. So yeah, if you were thinking about getting this, I feel like it's the perfect size as well. It's not too big, it's not too small, and there's a pocket on the back, and I've got some stuff in there. Oh, I've got some skincare in there. Cool. Orbit gum. I am obsessed with gum. I pretty much chew gum all the time. I have always been obsessed with gum. I feel like that's a big reason why my teeth stay white without having to whiten them, and why I don't get cavities. I always use sugarless. I really only buy this one. This is Sweet Mint, so I always have Sweet Mint in my purse. Dr. Pepper lip smackers. I can even smell it on the outside. If you guys didn't see my 90s nostalgic makeup video, I rediscovered lip smackers, specifically the Dr. Pepper. It gives you a little bit of tint. I love it. I feel like it's really, really moisturizing, so I've been wearing this like every day. It's so good. We're getting down to the bottom, guys. I have this little pill holder. I think this is from like Walgreens. I ordered it online or CVS, one of the two. It was supposed to have like a cute little flower, but this came, but it's fine. I have some of my daily medication in there and some Advil. I get headaches a lot. I've always gotten headaches. Again, kind of why I don't like the sun. I feel like my eyes are very, very sensitive, but I always keep this with me because I need to take medication in the middle of the day, and if I'm not home to take it, I want it with me. So I really like those little pill holders. I want to get a new one on Etsy. I feel like an Alice in Wonderland one would be like perfect, like blue pill or little pill. What does she do? You guys know what I mean. One last thing in here, and that is my Louis Vuitton key holder. Is this thing necessary? Not at all. I fell into a deep hole of a resale shop and I ended up purchasing this. It is nice because it protects, you know, your purse from your keys, but you just, you know, open it up. I've got my house keys, my mail key. You could fit more on there if you wanted to. I've got my car key and I've got a couple of dollars in there. So am I happy I have this? Yes, but is it worth the money? Probably not. You could probably just put your keys in some little bag that you get when you like purchase makeup or something like that. So that is it. Like I said, I feel like this is kind of a Mary Poppins bag. You wouldn't think that it held as much as it does, but it really does. So let me show you the inside. It's obviously pitch black in there, so I'm not sure how well you're gonna see. But like I said, it does have a little, you know, one pocket there. Maybe I'll put my gum in there sometimes, but it's not very flush against the side. So it, you know, whatever's in there usually ends up falling out, but that's okay. Like I said, it's just kind of an open pit of a purse and I'm fine with that. So let me show you some other things that I love about the bag. I love the YSL logo and that it's black. I purchased black because one, I wanted it to be understated rather than overstated. I like that the wallet has silver hardware, but I really like black hardware because it's not very flashy and I feel like you could dress it down or dress it up. With the silver hardware, I feel like that's a little more dressed down, and with the gold hardware, I feel like that's really dressed up. So this is definitely my favorite. This over time has started to kind of pop up, which is weird. I don't know why it's doing that. The one thing I don't love about the bag is the zipper is not very fluid. It is like a challenge to close it and open it, and it's just not. You can hear it from the sound. It's not very fluid. I don't know why it's like that. I don't feel like it's gotten better over time, but that kind of bothers me a little bit. If you were stuck between like the Gucci camera bag and the YSL, that's what I was kind of stuck between, and ultimately I decided the YSL because I just feel like I said, it's a little more edgy and that's just kind of goes along with my personality. But one thing that the YSL bag has that Gucci doesn't is this little guy right here that holds the strap down. So if I take that out, the strap usually kind of flops up, and the Gucci bag, a lot of people say that this ends up going like that and they really don't like that. So that was a huge thing, oddly, for me when I purchased this bag. I wanted to make sure, you know, it had something that could kind of go in like that so it stays flush against your body. Really nice crossbody bag. I have pajama pants on, but I'll go ahead and stand up so you guys can see what it looks like. Again, ignore the pajama pants situation, okay, quarantine, but I have it on the tightest hole and it hits right where I would want it to hit. So I'm 5'2" 3/4", so if you were shorter than that, it might, depending on, you know, how big your torso is and how long your legs are, it might, you know, be a little too long for you. But if you were taller than me, there are 5 more holes to, you know, extend it a little bit longer. So I love it. I think it's really cute. So yeah, that is it for my what's in my bag. Let me know one thing that you keep in your bag that you cannot live without. If it was one thing for me, ooh, that's hard. It would probably be my sunglasses, in all honesty. I have a little pop socket with my cards on the back of my phone, which I carry around a lot, but then I'll always have sunglasses with me. So if there was one thing I couldn't live without, it would probably be that. I know that's tough between sunglasses and chapstick for me, but I think it would be the sunglasses. So let me know what you thought about this video, guys. Obviously, I'm in natural light again. You guys know I tried to do some videos in the studio lighting, and I like the studio lighting, but I really like just being able to turn on the camera and talk to you guys about things. So let me know if there's any videos you wanna see. Otherwise, if you're interested in seeing any more videos from me, please subscribe. It means the absolute world to me, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.